Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Varsity. Quite often from the data engineering professionals, I get this question: which library should I use? Should I use Pandas or PySpark or some other library? When it comes to Python, there are different libraries. They are nothing but Pandas, Dask, Polars. There is also something called as Ray and then PySpark. There might be other libraries as well. Out of these five also, as of today, three of them stand out. What are those three? They are nothing but Pandas, Polars, and PySpark. Most of the data engineers say, why don't we go with Spark? The answer is it should not be. It all depends upon actual workload, not based on what you know. In many cases, Pandas is good enough. Polars is good enough in other cases. PySpark will be good in certain use cases. When it comes to microservices architecture, there is a popular phrase called as purpose-built solutions. Keep in mind, purpose-built solutions is applicable for modern day data engineering. When I say purpose-built solutions, the solution should be based on the purpose, not what you know. If data volumes are smaller, then you have to go with Pandas. If data volumes are pretty large, then probably you have to consider PySpark. When it comes to this module, we'll start with smaller dataset. We will come up with a couple of problem statements and we will see how to write code using Pandas, Polars as well as PySpark. Once that is done, we will generate considerable size data and then we will come up with the code for the same problem statements on larger dataset which is distributed across multiple files. We will see the differences when it comes to developing the code and also the performance. Finally, there will be a presentation which will compare and contrast these three, including cloud data warehouses, and then we will come up with a decision framework where we will understand which should be used when. As we go through this module, I'll be using quite a few notebooks, program file, and also presentation. In case if you need access to those, look at the description. There's a link to our newsletter. You have to click on that and subscribe to our newsletter. Most likely the article will be available for you. As part of the article, everything will be there. After subscribing to our newsletter, in case if you are lost, make sure to reach out to us at support@itversity.com. Our team will assist you to get to the right location for all the resources. I have put a lot of effort when it comes to coming up with this module. In case if you like it, make sure to click on the like button. If you wanted to hear something from me around data and AI, feel free to comment. And also if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and also hit on notification icon so that whenever I publish content, the content is in your mailbox. That being said, now let's get into the core agenda of this module.